Hey everyone, welcome to episode 83. On today's episode, we're going to take a look at all of the proper oiling points on your Cobra Class 5550 flatbed sewing machine. Now, all of these points are recommended by the master mechanics over at Leather Machine Company. So let's take a look.
So there are a few oiling spots on the machine head which only needs 1 drop of oil every 8 to 10 hours of actual operation. The main oil pan beneath the machine is important and needs to be filled with proper oil levels. When oiling, if you spill any oil, please be sure to wipe it up. In the oil pan, you'll notice an H and an L marking. You want to fill and make sure that the oil levels are between these 2 indicators. Once you have completed all that, your machine is now done and ready for more sewing.
That's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on next week's episode. Take care.